Am I the only one who gets frustrated when the AC stops working in my car? Don't sweat it. Let's figure out what's wrong with your Nissan Sentra's air conditioner. It might be easier than you think. The AC compressor is the heart of your Nissan Sentra's cooling system. If it's not working, there are a few common reasons. First, check if the AC fuse is blown. A simple fuse replacement could fix the problem. Next, look at your refrigerant level. If it's low, the compressor won't turn on to protect itself. You might need to recharge the system. Sometimes the compressor clutch doesn't engage. This could be a sign of a bad relay or a worn-out clutch. Listen for a clicking sound when you turn on the AC. No sound could mean an issue here. Also, check the wiring and connectors for any loose or corroded spots. Damaged wires can stop the compressor from getting power. Finally, if the compressor itself is faulty or seized, it won't work at all. In this case, you'll need a professional to replace it. So next time your Sentra's AC quits, check the fuse, refrigerant, clutch, and wiring before heading to the shop. Troubleshooting these basics can save you time and money. Stay cool out there.